Hi friends, welcome to another speed cleaning video. This one's going to be kind of short because my dad actually ends up helping with the dishes and stuff. So you're not going to see me do the dishes, and I thought maybe I could just pop in here and give you some motivation on tidying up a very, very cluttered, messy space. So today I am working on my kitchen. My kitchen obviously is very cluttered and messy, and yeah, it's just overwhelming. So yeah, I hope this brings you motivation and come right along with me while I do this. And this right here I'm showing you, I'm actually going to be putting this up on my wall later on in this video. It says home and it's really cute. I got it from Target's Dollar Spot for only $3. It is so adorable. I am so happy with that. And these bowls right here I also got from the Target Dollar Spot, but they were on clearance. These were half off. They were normally $3 each, and I got actually 3 of them for $1.50 each, and I thought they're really cute. The other one is actually being used, so that's why you didn't see the third one. Yes, the counter is so disgusting. I am actually going to be cleaning it up, but I forgot to film it. I am so sorry, but trust me, it did get cleaned up. Right now, I am going through my produce and picking out the things that are not good anymore and the things that still are, and I'm just throwing away the things that are not good anymore. But yeah, so there's that. And then now here's this angle. I tried different angles because honestly, my tripod was broken and I needed to fix it. So that's why you're getting these really weird angles in this video. But I thought, hey, this might be kind of fun, trying different angles and see like things up close and personal. And yeah, hopefully you guys still enjoy it. Alright guys, this Method spray smells amazing. I picked up 2 of these because they were on clearance at Target for $1.70, but it's in the scent Palm Garden. I can't find this scent on the Grove Collaborative website. I only found it at Target. So sometimes you could find some things at Target that you cannot find at the Grove site. So I picked up 2 of them because there was 2 left, and I really like the smell, and the packaging is so pretty too. And then I also picked up these 2-pack set of sponges from the Target Dollar Spot for only $1. I'm about to dirty them up. They're not going to be as cute anymore after I use them. And don't worry you guys, I did spray the counters again before I wiped them down with this rag. I just did not videotape that part, so I'm sorry if you guys think I didn't do it, but I did, I promise. Alright, so now that my dad is working on the kitchen for the rest of it, I am going to be doing some redecorating in the entryway. I got this really cute coat hanger from Michaels. I got a gift card for Christmas and I went there and I picked this up. It is so cute. I absolutely always wanted one of these, and I just love the way it looks because it can go with any kind of home decor. So I picked this up. I think it was on sale for like $25 or something. It was still pretty spendy, but or it was on sale for $20, something like that. But I really, really like it. And then so there it is right here. And then now here another weird angle because again my tripod is broken. So I am using this Method Palm Garden scented spray again to clean off the top of Trixie's tank. Her tank gets really dusty, as you can clearly see here. And now I'm going to put up the home sign I was showing you earlier. Again, I got it from the Target Dollar Spot for $3. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. And I love the fact I'm putting it underneath the Blessed sign, which I also bought from Target about a year and a half ago. So I'm gonna be putting this up, and yeah, it's not gonna be completely even, and I know someone's probably gonna say that in the comments, like, it's not 100% even, but you know what, it's okay. It looks good to me. And if it really bugs me enough, I will fix it, but it doesn't bug me enough quite yet. So I hope you guys still like the decor, and I hope you still like this video. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone. Alright guys, here it is. I think it looks cute because it says blessed home. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was short and sweet, but I really hope you still enjoyed it. If you have not yet subscribed, definitely subscribe to me, and I will appreciate that. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and have a wonderful day.